Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Theresa M, aka 50 Plus 2013, and today's video is just a video cooking for one person. Although in this video I am having company, but the dinner is made up of ingredients that I purchased and that was intended for one person. But clearly, whatever you make for one person, somehow it can be stretched where two people can eat it, and that's what we're doing today. So that's the shrimp, and the other ingredients in the oven are for me and my guests, and I just kind of wanted some Spam. That's what I've been craving, so I went ahead and decided to make that for myself, and then I will be having shrimp some other day of the week. So let's get into the video. So this is what I'm preparing for dinner tonight, and I have company. So for my company, I'm going to be making some jumbo shrimp. And I don't know, for me, somehow I've just been craving some Spam. So I'm going to be prepping that for myself. And as you know, I have this cabinet full of Spam, which I'm happy to see. All right, so before I realized I got started cooking, and I realized I could have been sharing what I cook for one person. Now, this is the stuff that I have for myself. I just happen to have company. So I'm going to go ahead and cook the asparagus. I hauled this in a grocery haul. That video is already up. Maybe the temperature probably should be about 400. So the asparagus, I got some parchment paper from the Dollar Tree. And I just lined the pan with it. Cut off all the hard, tough ends of the asparagus. And then I put some Himalayan pink salt on it. And pepper. And some extra virgin olive oil. So that's what I seasoned it with. I kind of wanted to put something else on it, but I don't know what else to put on it. If I had some garlic powder, I would put that on it. I kind of want to experiment with the sesame oil, but I think I'm going to hold off on that. So basically salt, pepper, and extra virgin. And then I decided, since I have this bowl full of red potatoes, I thought maybe I would put some of these in the oven as well. I've already started washed and chopped up one, and I'll go ahead and prep the rest with you. It's got this inexpensive paper from Dollar Tree, and that's what it looks like. I feel comfortable using 2 sheets rather than one, so tear off 2 pieces. Well, the oven's already preheated up to 400 for me now. I'm probably going to Google how long this should be, or just play it by ear. So let me wash another potato. I'm making the potatoes the same thickness as the asparagus because I figure I want to go sit down for a while and then come back and all of it's done instead of having to wait for one or the other. So just 2 red potatoes. Himalayan salt on these. Which, matter of fact, I'm going to add a little bit more to the asparagus while I'm at it. I don't really know how people drizzle oil on stuff, because when I'm drizzling, it looks like I may end up pouring too much. But let's see. So I figure all of this should be on for 20 minutes. So once I put it in the oven, I'm going to ask Siri to set the timer. Use some paprika in there. Might as well add a little bit of this, get some health benefits in somehow. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven. And I think that I'm going to put this on the top layer. I don't know which should go where, but and the potatoes on the bottom. Potatoes, asparagus, and it's on 400. And I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. I like it a certain amount of thickness before I put it in the pan because I like the crispiness of the Spam. That's the best part, when it's just thin and crispy. So I'm just going to cook these pieces for myself because my guests, like I said, will be having a jumbo shrimp this time. That's my sampler plate until everything gets done.
Seasoning.
Slap your mama.
I put olive oil and some Haitian epis. They don't know
You made that up?
No, it's their thing.
Oh, did you put that on it too?
I put this on it. No, not just the epis.
No butter?
No, I did oil. I forgot to do butter instead of oil.
What?
I usually do butter as a non-stick, but I used oil on accident.
What kind of oil?
The olive oil.
Well, I mean, I have few up there.
Oh.
I have olive oil. I have